Okay, now let's review the formulas that we have learned for kinematics. Um, of course, the first formula we learned was the definition of acceleration, the change in velocity over time, or the change in velocity in a unit of time. And then v final, which equals v initial. These are conceptual formulas. You easily understand them if you think about them deeply. And then average, also average velocity is the addition of these velocities divided by 2, of course. And this is the definition of average for everything. And of course, displacement formula is derived from these formulas, and this is the only formula that you might want to use your memory a little bit to memorize, plus the other one, which is the time independent formula. This one is very easy to remember. This is the difference of squares, and this is of course easy to remember. So only these two formulas you would need to remember to use a little bit of your memory. If you derive them few times, you will never forget them. And also, if you ever forget them, you can always derive them. As you know, this one is derived from these two. Yeah. So there is just another formula which is included in all of these, and as you remember, this formula can give you just the average velocity times t, right? This is the average velocity. So this is another formula, but these are basically the main formulas, and this is of course very easy. You can always use this as well. So again, my advice to you is to not use formula sheets. Only these few you really don't need to use formula sheet for. And okay, I would like you to do something. Just repeat the deriving of this formula, which is in the previous video, the deriving of the time independent formula sheet, and repeat the deriving of this formula then after that, and just go through the formulas with yourself and try to master them by practicing.